Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at some tool deals, clearance deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. 177 down from 199. This is 80 BTU, 80,000 BTU. Then we got these exercise machines. $6.99 on sale, down from $9.99. Alright, we got the Greenworks. This is something I never seen before. $139. This is a cultivator. I was actually about a year ago I was looking for one of these, and I could not find it anywhere. I didn't even know that Greenworks makes one. So I guess they do. It's $139, and like I said, it's the first time I see it. And you got Cobalt, 40 volts, 2.5 amp hour battery, $75 down from $79. So be on the lookout for those. Make sure you check up on your prices if you're into that line. And a Cobalt 40 volt backpack blower, 124 down from $299. They didn't have any here. And they got the Husqvarnas here. 131 down from $219. That's a pretty good deal. It's 2-cycle 28cc. Alright, and then they got the weed whacker here with the extension cord. It is 10 amp, 2927, down from 69. So if you don't care about the extension cords, and then they got these batteries on clearance too. Greenworks Pro 2.0 amp hour battery, $64 for $129. Pretty awesome deal. We seen these as low as $30 something. And then they got this one for $83. This is a brushless circ saw, down from $119. And then they got this hammer drill, brushless, with batteries and charger, $104. It's a pretty good deal there for $149. Alright, and then they got these. They didn't have any in this store. $9.98 for 14-piece gold oxide drill bits at Craftsman. Guys, $39.47 for the 2-tool drill and circ saw combo, down from $149. This is a crazy deal. They did not have any here. It looks just like that one at the bottom, but it does have the drill beside it. I'll show you guys at the end of the video how does it look like, because I managed to find one at the end, but I did not get it because it was on hold. Apparently they are able to hold it for somebody. I had no idea that Lowe's was able to hold it for somebody, unless, I thought it was just you had to pay for it and they put it on hold, but I guess not. They're able, if you know somebody, I guess you're able to hold it for them. So you got a 1/2 inch drill driver, $59, down from $79. And they got the hammer drill for $104, the one we just saw earlier. And then we got some more clearance deals there. I'll show you guys some of them in detail here. I got this impact driver for $59. Pretty decent deal for the DIY. This is a brush tool, just keep that in mind. $59 down from $79. Like I said, DIY. And this is a brushless, something a pro could use. $90. That's the kit. They got the Rotary Hammer there for $83. Then they got the impact wrench. This is a mid-torque impact wrench, $83. Down from $119. And then you got the reciprocating saw for $83, down from $119. $55, guys, for the impact driver bare tool. Killer deal on that. You got the angle grinder here for $69. Regular price $99. So I'm still waiting for this to drop. As soon as I see it dropping to the 50s, I'm going to pick one up. Guys, $35 from $69.98 to 7,000 Cobalt work light. I'll show you guys how it looks like. I guess that you can run this with an extension cord. This is not 40 volt or anything. 7,000 lumen. You got a 3-year, so many hours warranty, I guess. You got exit sign here from $59 down to $12. Yeah, guys, they had this here and it had a name on it. And I even asked the associate, I wish I could just take this box and just, go to take off the sticker and just go to the, I should have done that. I'm not that way. Anyways, Yeah, I'll just leave it for somebody else to get. Anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.